Hi, I'm Steve Logan. I am the gas utility construction instructor at Moraine Park Technical College in Beaver Dam. The characteristics of a successful student here in the gas program is going to be, first of all, a student who understands safety. The second characteristic is going to be a good understanding of the type of work they're getting into. Not just the fact that it's going to be outside work, but they're going to be working around heavy machinery. They're going to be working around pipes and wires. They're going to be working 3 to 4 feet under the ground. And so those types of things are what we demonstrate for the students and have them participate in, so that when they get to an employer, the employer knows they've already experienced the full range of construction. The 9-month program is specifically starts out as the basics of natural gas, the basics of underground construction. If they go into a trade type job like this, whether it's underground natural gas, whether it's fiber optics, telephone, any type of underground construction, they're typically going to be in a union position. And the value of the union position is that you've got good benefits and good wages. I talked to a student last night, in fact. He's working 50 to 60 hours a week. He's making 28 to 30 bucks an hour, plus very good health care and retirement benefits. He's very happy with his situation. Again, for young people to be able to make $80,000 to $100,000 a year is a pretty unusual thing, but it's very common for our students if they get into the construction world. There's really 2 paths that a student can go. They can look for local companies where they're able to stay around home. Otherwise, the other option is to go on travel crews. We have one student working for Michael's Pipeline right now, travels out of state most of the year, but his paycheck is well into the $100,000 plus range. Getting into utility allows you to be close to home, but by the same token, you're going to have on-call with utilities. So some of our students like the idea that they work long hours, but then when they go home at night and when they're home on the weekend, their time is their own. Why Moraine Park? We have an OSHA 30 class. That's a big component. We have a directional drill program. We do some basic welding. We have this program specifically structured to ensure that you get successful. I think the best measure of that is that I've not had any student not be able to get a job in the trade if they're interested. I've been 40-some years in the gas construction and underground construction field, and I was asked to help put this program together, and we really put it together to not only get a career, but to keep a career and be able to progress in a career.